It's a good question.
Let's just talk about an individual.
Okay.
So we're long done with college. We're not on a team anymore. We as the individual are in charge of our own training. So a woman who's listening to this, who is herself, active. She's, whether it's my wife, she's training for marathons, or whether it's, a woman who's just training to stay in shape. What guidance are you giving around, if anything, how you would change intensity and volume throughout the cycle?
It's a good question. I mean, if we're talking about, let's just say someone in their 40s, I would say we're just trying to exercise and that intensity and volume would be periodized based on something else.
Got it. So in other words, you're going to change intensity and volume based on longer mesocycles that are around peaking and tapering for whatever the events are, but we're not going to do a monthly up and down based on the cycle, which means you are accepting the fact that you will sometimes train not feeling as good as you do during other times in the cycle.
Well, right. I have two thoughts on that. Of should we, or does your periodized, 4-week program, could we align it with our period and our menstrual cycle? That might be something that we need to look into, of like you're just shifting your 4-week mesocycle. But yes, 100%. We are going to train whenever and do those long-term effects, but then also giving ourselves some grace of like, oh, if you didn't hit your goals or your minute per mile or whatever it may be, to take a step back and say, oh, where do my hormones play a role? Or I also maybe needed a little bit longer recovery. And there's some interesting data too with work to rest ratio. We might just need to I think empower women to say, first of all, when is your menstrual cycle, or what does that look like? How long, which helps us understand when it changes. How long are you bleeding? And are you more tired based on those hormonal things, or is it something else?
So this might be a relief to some women to hear that, because it makes them maybe accept the fact that, hey, I don't need to like over science this thing.